Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix screen flickering issue on Motorola G37 power. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. Phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in settings, click on display and turn off adaptive brightness button. After turn off adaptive brightness button, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest update, after update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, again click on settings app and click on system and click on reset option. Click on reset all setting, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.